What's up, foodie friends? This is one recipe you will not want to miss. You only need 2 ingredients: self-rising flour and plain Greek yogurt. You can add a pinch of sea salt for some extra flavor. Mix it up really good. Use your hands to make a nice dough ball. Now break apart your dough ball and flatten them into little naan breads. Add a splash of olive oil to a non-stick pan. Place your naan bread into the pan and saute for 3 minutes on each side. These little naan breads are so delicious and are only 3 points on Weight Watchers. Melt a little butter in the microwave for 30 seconds and use it to drizzle over the top of the naan breads. These are so good. You're not going to be able to eat just one. Stack them and serve them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.